Instant replay, hatid sa atin ng Santa Ana Park, Salos and Club, right here at Naik, Cavite.
And the race is on. Go Army from the outside by the rail. Senior Cricket. It's Go Army followed by Senior Cricket. Alongside Freedom Charger by the rails. Formidable Ella. Rushing up extra strong Douglas Pet. On the further outside, Sharp Cookie, Doña Leonora, Dream Tower, Simple Beauty, Elgin Chairman, Olympic Torch, while Princess Chimay is running in 14th. Go Army, Senior Cricket running by the rail and rushing up Douglas Pet, Formidable Ella alongside Freedom Charger. Extra Strong is running in 6 and running in 7. Sharp Cookie, Dream Tower in 8. Simple Beauty, Elgin Chairman, Doña Leonora, Olympic Torch, and Princess Chimay still running in 14 as they race the last 400. Go Army, this time by some 3 lengths as they race the final corner. Go Army by some 5 lengths. And on the outside, Douglas Pet, Formidable Ella, Senior Cricket down on the inside. And nearing the last 100 meters more to go. It's still Go Army. It's indeed a light workout for these swords. Go Army. Second, Formidable Ella. Close for third, Freedom Charger, Senior Cricket, and fifth position belongs to
Reba, 26-25, finishing at 26.5, 117.6, 1200 meters on distance.